At least 1 hour a day in an activity that brings on a sweat, increases breathing, and raises the heart rate to 120 beats per minute would be optimal, says Hans Joachim Siebert, chairman of Children and Youth Sports section of German Association for Sports Medicine and Prevention. According to Hans, अगर आप 1 घंटा दिन भर का एक्टिविटी करते हैं, it will bring you sweat and it will increase your breathing rate to 120, and that will be good enough. Some types of sport, however, come with a warning. Activities that require repetitive stress on joints, such as distance running and weightlifting, can be dangerous in youths whose bones have not yet finished growing, says Siebert. According to Siebert, it's the sports, some heavy sports can be dangerous or maybe not be good for the young students. द एक्टिविटीज़ जिनमें ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो जॉइंट्स पर, सच एज डिस्टेंस रनिंग, लंबी दूरी तक दौड़ना, या वेट लिफ्टिंग, कैन बी डेंजरस फॉर द यूथ बिकॉज देयर बोन्स आर नॉट grown up properly. Pursuing such sports before the age of 14 के पहले ये सारे स्पोर्ट्स को अपने रूटीन में लाना is not a good idea. Sports also have other advantages. For example, they provide opportunities to make friends while also offering a distraction from aggravations at school, work, or home, and a chance to let off steam, said Lautenbach. स्पोर्ट्स के दूसरे फ़ायदे भी हैं. देयर आर फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, ये हमको मौका देते नए फ्रेंड्स बनाने का. दे ऑल्सो ऑफर, मतलब हमको हमारा अटेंशन दूसरी तरफ खींचने का, जो एग्रेवेशंस होते हैं स्कूल में या घर पर, सो वी कैन गेट अवे फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ work or home or schools by the time we are playing. Siebert said in addition, studies have shown that students who regularly do sports perform better in classroom. जो स्टूडेंट्स स्पोर्ट्स में रेगुलरली एक्टिव हैं, so their performance is also good in classroom. This is all about this chapter.